monsoon has eased and Kerala's waterlily blooms have returned in all their splendor. With Onam just days away, these blooms add even more color to Kerala's landscape. This is Pallom, which is yet another pink waterlily village of Kerala in Kottayam. The Valekadavu fields in Pallom are carpeted with these beautiful flowers. For the best view, visit between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. before the flowers begin to droop in the morning sun. The spot gets particularly busy on weekdays. From the Kottayam-Changanasheri road, take the road near Pallom post office to reach Valekadavu. It's just about 6 kilometers from Kottayam. The muddy paths around the field can be slippery, so watch your step. Local people request tourists not to leave behind plastic or any other waste materials. This Onam, let's be responsible tourists.